ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko.
Ginagawa mo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, this is Corswagg TV. Kamusta kayo mga lods? Ito, kamusta ako? Siyempre, as always, namiss ko kayo guys, no? So ito guys, for this video, ang pag-uusapan natin is reaction video natin sa unboxing ni Mateo Gudachel. Siyempre, naging viral to guys, no? The way niya in-unbox yung PS4 Pro. Grabe. Kasi sa mga PS4 user dyan, pag bagong bili, talagang ingat na ingat kami dyan. Siyempre, may kabibili ko lang din kasi ng PS4 last week. So siyempre, ingat na ingat ako guys, no? Grabe yung unboxing, parang destroying yung nangyari. So magre-react tayo dun guys, no? Siyempre, this is opinion lang naman natin. So wala tayong gustong sabihin dito guys, no? And siyempre, tayo magsimula guys, no? Shoutout muna sa mga malulupit nating lods dyan. Siyempre alam naman natin sa history kasi ng video to ni Mateo Gudachel, nagtanong siya sa Instagram niya tayo na sa makabili ng PS4. Siyempre yung PS4 Asia sumagot sa kanya and pinadalhan siya, parang sponsor to. Siyempre bilang kapalit i-unbox mo yung PS4 Pro since binigyan siya ng bagong unit ng PS4 yan. So ang nangyari nga lang, grabe yung unboxing. Nakakatakot, paano ba yun? Nakakahulog ng puso. Ayun, yung term na yun. The way siya mag-unboxing. Kasi, for us, no, mga PS4 user, kasi, unang-una yung warranty dyan. And also, kung gusto mo ibenta yung PS4, syempre, kung gusto mo ulit ibenta yung PS4, parang, parang dagdag package yun or presentation kung bebenta mo yung PS4. May box pa, kompleto pa, yung mga manuals, yung mga plastic, dagdag points, dagdag points yan kung ibebenta mo ulit yung PS4. So napaka-importante sa amin lahat yun guys, no? And also, hindi naman kami nakakabili na araw-araw ng PS4 Pro, Slim, or Fat, ganon. Syempre, as a normal na Pilipino, syempre pinag-uupunan yan. Syempre, mga kunwari, graduation gift, may bonus ka sa sweldo mo, sa trabaho mo. Kaya ganun kami kaingat as a ordinary Pilipino. Kapag sa PS4, talagang ingat kami the way na i-unbox, ilabas yung unit sa box ito. Since si Mateo, syempre kaya niya bumili ng 20 units ng PS4. Baka hindi lang 20 units Kaya siya mismo bumili nun, kaya niya yun. Syempre, yun nga yung gusto kong sabihin, ang gusto kong tukuyin. As a ordinary Filipino, di kami nakakabili ng ganong kamahal sa araw-araw. Mga ganon. So, talagang it takes ilang months or may special events para lang makabili nun. Ayun gusto ko i-point guys. Start tayo sa pag-react ating reaction video sa unboxing ni Mateo Gudachel sa PlayStation Pro 1TB. Alright?
Alright guys, what do we have here? We're gonna be unboxing something very cool. We've got, let me take this out. Ta-da! So a few weeks ago I tweeted in my Instagram story.
Oh my god. Naghulat ako guys, no, grabe.
Ginagawa mo.
The way na nilapag yung box sa table, parang plato lang o parang ano to, unan. no? Speechless ako guys, grabe, speechless ako. Continue natin guys.
PS4, and I was asking people where to get the PS4. Anyways, I got a PS4. So the PS4 I decided to get was PS4 Pro. Yeah, so PS4, thank you very much.
Sana all.
That's what it comes with.
Pause muna natin guys. So yun nga no, pinadalan siya ng PS4 Asia kasi nagtanong siya kung sa makabili ba ng PS4 dito sa Pinas. And since nakita ng PS4 Asia, pinadalan siya. At syempre bilang kapalit na binili ka ng PS4, unbox mo yung PS4. Pero hindi unbox na nangyari. Okay, anyway, let's continue guys.
Papers. What game do we have here? PS4. Ooh, Gran Turismo, baby. Gran Turismo. Final Fantasy. Let's see what we do with that.
Grabe, the way niya binaksak yung CD, no? Alam nyo ba kung magkano si CD ng PS4 ngayon? 2,000, umaabot ng 2,000 plus yan guys. Walang peking CD ngayon. So, pag nasira na yan, wala na yan, sira na yan guys, no? So, as a gamer kami, ingat na ingat kami dyan. Kapag natapos namin yan or nagsawa kami sa CD yan, syempre, since na nakatambak lang yan, binibenta namin yan. Syempre, kung bibenta mo yan, dapat presentable yung CD, ayos. So, ganun lang guys, yun lang. Ulit, continue natin.
This is... What is this? Secret papers. Put that aside. Right here. Alright, let's open this PS4. I just want to tell you guys a little something. The last PlayStation I've ever had in my life was the PlayStation 1.
Kaya pala, tagal na nun.
8 years old, 9 years old. After that, I never had a PlayStation ever.
Guys, yung PS1, napakatagal na na-release yun. So, ganun, kaya pala, ganun. PS1, mga 90s pa nirelease yun. Anong year na ngayon, di ba? 2020 na.
My brother, he's got a PS4. I bought him one. And yeah, he loves it. And I think because of the ECQ and quarantine, he persuaded me to get a PlayStation. So here it is. We got a PlayStation. So
pati yung aso nagagalit, no? Ba't ganun daw mag-unbox?
I'm not really good in unboxing.
Oh my god!
Unboxing video.
Ayan guys, yung box na yan, yung parang cover na yan, kailangan namin yan sa mga pagbebenta mo yun guys. Kapag kung gusto mo ibenta yung PS4 mo, tinatanong ng mga buyer kung may box pa. So napaka-importante sa amin yan guys, no? Dapat kinikip yan as ordinary people. Saka box, mahal yung unit guys, so lahat yan tinatago namin yan guys, no? Anyway, continue tayo.
Say 2 years Sony Philippines warranty. Please keep the sleeve for extended warranty service. I just broke it. Sorry. Anyways, yep, I'm not good at unboxing. This is my first time, so.
So inamin naman niya guys, no, na he's not good in unboxing and this is his first time. So pag okay lang, and also PS4 naman niya yun guys, no. So but gusto ko lang i-pinpoint is the way kung isang talagang gamer ng PS4 kahit pang yun yan, PS4, hindi ganun yung pag-unbox. Talagang dapat dahan-dahan ka guys, no? Kasi hindi naman araw-araw nakakabili kami yan, mga ordinaryong Pilipino o Pinoy. So continue tayo.
Really that I can learn. Alright, PS4 baby, to be sold as a bundle with software only. So, how do we go about this? Right here.
Oh.
Yeah. So again, my PlayStation was PlayStation 1 when I was about 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, and I remember I had so many games.
So yun nga, sinabi naman yung Mateo, no, yung last na nagka PS4 siya, 7 or 8 pa siya. Ilang taon na ba si Mateo ngayon, di ba? Kasal na nga yun, yung isawa na nga yun. So let's continue guys.
Ooh, comes with God of War. I heard God of War was such a really nice game. Everybody's been playing this game, God of War. Oh, the last of
Grabe
us.
mga baksak.
Dude, just like that. To be sold as a bundle. Ooh. Shoot it.
Oh. The way niya ibaksak yung CD guys, no, grabe. Kami nga, ako nga talagang paglabas ng CD sa PS4, talagang ingat na ingat kami, or kami na ilagay ulit sa cover or sa ano niya, sa case ng CD. Hindi ko alam, since mayaman siguro si Mateo, and also giveaway to ng sponsor to ni PS4. Hindi ko alam ba't ganun. So anyway,
Instructions. Just help unbox. Get that.
sumisikap dibdib ko guys, grabe. The way niya unbox, the way niya isalampak yung mga controller sa table, grabe. Kasi yan nga, hindi naman kasi to toys to na for the big boys, no, or pwede rin naman sa mga bata. Kaso yung presyo kasi na to guys, di rin biro. Lahat, accessories, controller niya to 2,000 mahigit, mga CD nito 2,000 mahigit guys, no. So as an adult or a gamer na medyo may edad na, syempre ingat na ingat kami dyan guys, no.
This.
Continue tayo.
More wires. Alright, that's it. So it says PlayStation Plus. Free games. I don't really like reading instructions. I just try to experiment. So we've got our PS4.
Lahat baksak no.
I'm really excited too for the PS5. They said it's coming out soon. Ooh, look at that.
Di ko lang sure kung bibigyan pa ulit siya ng PS4, no, ng PlayStation Asia, no. Sa PS, kung lalabas ng PS5. Baka bibili na lang to ng PS5 gamit ng sarili niyang pera guys, no. Si Mateo after nang nangyaring to, no.
There. That over here.
Continue tayo guys.
Headphones. Two controllers.
Di ko alam kung nagmamadali si Mateo dito.
Wire over here.
Sira.
HDMI wire. UBC, USB. Power wire. Alright. Now it is time to go to the TV room and install this and play. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching my first ever unboxing video. Again, I'd like to say thank you to thank you very much to PlayStation Asia. Thank you very much, PlayStation Asia, and GameLine.ph. Thank you very much for this, and I appreciate it, and I'm gonna have a good time. So thank you very much. See you guys.
Tapos na natin yung unboxing ng Mateo Guidocelli. Ako kaya PS4 Asia. Gusto ko ng PS4. Pwede nyo ba akong padalhan? Asa ka boy. And guys, no, so syempre PS4 niya yun. Wala tayong pakialam doon. Pero kasi syempre kasi as a gamer, as a ordinary Filipino, hindi naman kasi ganun kadali makabili ng PS4. Talagang pag-iipunan mo yun, or kung mga special events like Pasko or graduation, doon lang pwede ikaw nabibigyan or kung may bonus ka sa trabaho mo. Hindi tayo katulad ng Mateo na kahit ngayon kaya nyo babili ng 20 pieces ng PS4. So yun lang guys, no. Kayo guys, comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo sa unboxing ni Mateo, sa unboxing niya sa PS4. And maraming salamat sa panonood guys, no. And ano pa ba, check natin yung mga comments gusto nyo sa video niya. Check natin yung mga comments sa video niya, no. Ay, ito guys, kay Christian Basaul. I found how to unbox. It's so funny, especially these people reaction. So that's how rich people do unboxing. They didn't care about the warranty. Normal people unboxing box like normal. This guy, we don't do that here. He literally tore off the box like giving wrap. Wow. He seems like a nice guy, lol. I think he just really doesn't know how to meet the expectation of the build that you should be careful unboxing because of the warranty. Can't blame his excitement also though. Change title to Wreck It Ralph Unboxing a PS4 Pro. Ito yung the best guys na for me. He's like, I hate doing this but hey, I'm getting paid to do this. I'll just make it quick and destroy the outer sleeve and open everything really quick. So for me, ayun yung dating. So yun nga, ang dami guys, no? 13,000 comments, no? Punta na lang kayo dyan, basahin yung mga comments kung gusto nyo makita. So yun guys, no? Maraming salamat sa panonood, mga lods. Keep supporting our channel and ingat kayo lahat guys, no? Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ingat, God bless, keep safe, peace!
Unang araw pa lang